BILCO roof hatch railing system. The new Bil-Guard 2.0 design. Stronger, simpler, better. Stronger. Stronger than its predecessor, the Bil-Guard 2.0 boasts aluminum rail construction for increased strength and rigidity. The product also features a redesigned self-closing hinge and positive latching system, and stainless steel hardware throughout. A safety yellow powder coat finish adds durability. Simpler. The Bil-Guard 2.0 features a new simplified design that can be installed in less than an hour using basic tools. Let's take a look at the installation process on a typical hatch. Unpack and lay out parts. Align corner brackets with mounting holes and secure to flashing. If the roof hatch was not supplied with mounting holes in the flashing, drill holes in the flashing only using the mounting bracket as a template. Fasten corner brackets to the cap flashing using bolts and lock nuts provided. Repeat this process on all 4 roof hatch corners. Attach post mounting clamps to each corner bracket. Gently tighten bolts, washers, and lock nuts so that the post mounting clamps are free to rotate. Slide side panel into post mounting clamps. Make sure that hinge holes are positioned on the exit side of the roof hatch. The top of the rail must be 42 inches above roof level to meet OSHA requirements. Use a temporary wood block to position the rail to the proper height. Verify that the side panel is level. Secure panel to post clamping brackets in the position 1 hole only. Repeat process on second side panel. Make sure that latching mechanism is positioned on the exit side of the roof hatch. To attach gate panel, position against side panel and align hinge and side panel mounting holes. Attach each hinge to side panel using panhead screws provided and loosely secure with ACORN nuts. Adjust gate position to align gate latch and strike pin with latching mechanism. An Allen wrench adjustment screw allows adjustment of strike pin length. Using the position tool holes in the post mounting clamp as a template, drill through side panel post. Insert hex head bolt into drilled hole and secure with ACORN nut. Repeat on lower mounting clamp. Repeat steps at all corners to fully secure side panels to mounting brackets. With all post mounting clamp bolts secure, fully tighten hinge mounting bolts and corner mounting bolts in each corner. This completes the Bil-Guard 2.0 installation. Better. The Bil-Guard 2.0 offers a stronger, simpler solution for OSHA-compliant fall protection on roof hatch and smoke vent openings. For more information, visit www.bilco.com.